Lovely two-story home in popular Westridge subdivision. Fabulous kitchen with miles of granite counter, tumbled-tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances and a roomy eating area with sliding glass doors to the deck and fenced backyard. Main floor also features an inviting family room, a separate dining room, a sunny office, pretty powder room and a laundry room. Hardwood throughout the main floor. Upstairs finds the master bedroom with a large walk-in closet and a master bath featuring a double sink, and a jetted tub with a separate tiled walk-in shower. 2 more bedrooms and a main bath upstairs. The sprawling basement offers a wonderful entertainment area, including a second family room with a dry bar. Plenty of storage in the crawl. Awesome 2.5 car heated garage with new garage door and opener, beltless with raised hinge to accommodate larger vehicles. Sprinkler system and professionally landscaped yard. Updates include roof 24, refrigerator and washer 24, fence 23. Near schools, bike paths,